how to switch back to personal account on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually switch back to personal account on Cash App. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe for some official purposes, you switched your Cash App account to a business account and now you want to switch it back into your own personal account, which means you want to use as an individual, not as a business. Well, in order to do that, first of all you have to do is just go ahead and launch a Cash App on your phone. Once you launch Cash App, you will see this type of interface. Now just tap the profile icon located at the top right hand corner, and then here if you have a business account, you will find the button that says business info. So basically all you need to do is just tap on the business info button, and then right over here you'll find account type. Now in my case it is a business account, so it's saying switch back to professional account, so I'll just select switch to a personal account over here, and then over here it'll simply ask me to scroll down to the bottom, select contact support or whatever else, contact the support team over here in order to switch back to personal account, and then just let them know that you just accidentally changed it to a business account and now you want to switch it back to personal account, and then they should be able to help you with that. So hope this video helped you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.